Google Pixel Buds A series. Google is following the same path for earbuds as they did for Pixel series mobile phones. A bit downgraded version marked with A, with few less features and very less price. This approach make the Pixel brand to reach mid-range market. Welcome to my next video on Google Pixel A series. Sorry for my position and camera position. Google Pixel Buds A series available in two different colors, clearly white and dark olive. Now the one I have is clearly white. Let's open the box. The first thing is on the top is the earbuds. Inside there is a USB Type-C charger cable. Although if you have the phone, you don't need it. It's the same USB Type-C. Okay. Additionally, there are few guidebooks, user manuals, and some warning messages. And these are basically the ear tips for two different sizes. But the best part of this entire packaging is everything is recyclable, so it's a better approach. Here is the Pixel earbuds A series. Outside is same like the previous generation. Now here the right one, here the left one. Looks better. And let's get the phone. It's better to connect with the Pixel phone itself to get the best out of it. I'm going to use the phone from my friend. Looks like it is connected once the Pixel Bud case is open. Now it is asking for some permissions and all. You have to accept everything. No choice. If you are using Pixel phone and if you have this one, then you will get some more benefit. Let's try it out. The right one. Let's play some music. Yeah. You can play, you can pause. Yeah, that's a nice options, you can say. You can change some settings and all those stuff from the application. Each earbuds is only 5 gram. The charging case is 42.8 grams, so altogether you can imagine it's 50 gram almost. Now it has a 12 mm dynamic speaker drive, passive noise reduction, USB-C type charging port, and battery wise it's almost 24 hours listening time with the case. Personally, I felt many issues with lots of earbuds which is coming out from my ear, so I did a quick test. I asked my friend to use these earbuds and to jump over and see how it is. It's awesome. It's really nice. A great thanks to my friend who did this test and came in front of the camera. Come on. Yay. Thank you for watching.